Hey guys, Katie here. I am going to show you today how to make a brand kit with the free version of Canva. Let's do this. If you have free version, I have signed in with my free version of Canva up here. What we want to do is create a design and go to brand board. I put in brand template, but it brought up this brand board here. So click on brand board and it's going to bring up all these amazing brand boards. So pick one that resonates with you. And basically, all you're going to do is use some kind of AI, Gemini, ChatGPT, whatever bot is your favorite. Go there and let's put in some prompts. So I am over here at ChatGPT, which is my preferred generative AI bot, and I kind of have a prompt ready to go here. What I'm going to ask it is, I am creating a brand identity for my business. Mine would be an AI and automation consulting business for small businesses, which should be reflected in a brand board in Canva. Generate the following brand elements for me. Brand voice and personality. Describe the tone of voice my brand should use in marketing and communication. Provide key adjectives that define my brand personality. Suggest a tagline that encapsulates my brand essence. This is kind of for you guys who maybe don't have any of this yet. So don't take this lightly. This could be the beginning of your brand voice. Suggest a refined set of colors. Provide hex codes for each color and describe the emotional effect they convey. So I'm going to put in my business, AI, and automation for small businesses, which could be reflected. And let's see what it gives me. All right. It has hit the nail on the head. It gives me a tagline. I think I actually have something similar to this. And color palette, you can play around with these. You can go to the Adobe color wheel, play around with colors that you like, create your own brand palette. And so basically you are going to take all of these and put them over into your board. Let's just get started here. We're going down the color wheel here. Let's get all these in. I'm just copying and pasting. Now these hex codes will not be correct once we change all these colors. Okay, so once we have this, we can really make our own little color palette. Let's see. And what I'm going to try to do is just start a new design. So this will be saved. Let's do another board. Let's just pick that same one and see what happens. This is the original colors that it had. And so what you can do is go look at templates and styles. So you want to find a style that works, but look, it has recent styles. This is the one that we just did. Since this is a pretty important step, I would like to go over this briefly with you. So here I am. We've just created a brand board. You go up to design and then styles, and then you go down and you see that it has now saved that as a style. So you could look at all of your recent styles and it will always kind of be here. So if you have styles that you like, you can always access them in this design styles section, and it's your styles. So I just created this one for just really quickly, just a very simplistic board for my little side company here. So what I did is I just brought my logo in, got my colors together, which is from my logo, and I put in the fonts that ChatGPT recommended, and I basically just went, when I went to look at elements, I went to look for some photos. So I went to see all. There's lots of photos down here. I just went and copied the hex code. These are all correct hex codes, by the way. And when you go to search, so I think I did technology or something like that. When you go search, you can add your specific color to the search. And so you can then drag in relevant photos that match your board. It's super cool, you guys. Really easy. You do not have to have the pro version to have this brand board. Anyway, there you go. There you have it. Done, done, done. Finito. Congratulations on your new brand board.